YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Junior coming to another banger video. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I have been mentioning we're going to be doing a ride along in my GT Mustang. So today we got scheduled a ride along with a little IG baddie, little spicy Latina, and she does do OnlyFans too. So you little freaky leaks, you little freaked out things, y'all gonna enjoy this video. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And if this video does good, we're gonna just keep doing ride alongs, and we're gonna keep getting faster and faster. So the videos are gonna get crazier. We're almost at 5K, y'all. We're up to 10K, and that's like damn near close to 1 million if you think about it. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2014 GT Mustang bolt-on. It's got a Cobra Jet PMAS, lots of goodies, sounds super loud, super quick. Love the car myself. Honestly, this has been my dream car for a lot of years, and if you know, you know. This is one of the best years of Mustangs, newer generation wise, new generation. Fox body Mustang still got a very big part of my heart, and that's why I still own one. We are a little early, so we're just gonna wait for her to pull up. God damn, this shit glistening. My boy. Cop your merch. Hit me up on Instagram at Legacy Junior to cop your merch. Get you a shirt like this. Not like this, these aren't available yet, but if you do want one, Legacy Junior, make sure you DM me. Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, whatever app you use to send money, my boy, we take it. And here she comes right here. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Bella.
You want to throw your ad in there? You want to throw anything in there?
No, I think we're good for now.
All right, we're good about We are going to start off and ask you, what is the fastest car you've been in? Really? Yeah. You haven't been in it yet though. Like besides this, you never been in no Camaros. You ever been in
Lamborghini, but it hasn't been fast. So.
You was in a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Y'all, we might be cooked. Fuck. We might. I did not. Why didn't you mention this before? Did he hit the gas?
No.
We're good. We straight. Don't worry about that. That's the fastest car you've ever been in. You came out from Sacramento, so since you did drive all the way out from Sac, we are gonna give her sheesh a Legacy merch. Small, right?
Yeah.
It's gotta be small. Are you nervous?
No.
At all?
No, maybe. I won't know.
Have you ever done donuts in the car before?
Yeah.
What's the fastest you've been in the car?
Fastest?
Yeah.
Probably like 100.
100? Okay. Okay.
Better?
We working. I don't know. We're not trying to go to jail, but we are gonna try to give her a good experience so you can see that Mustangs are quick, my boy. This car is fun. Okay, it's gonna be a good thumbnail. You like a kissy face? Aha, alright. It's a video, it's not a picture. You can just keep moving around.
I didn't know.
You good. Yeah, y'all gonna love this video. We already know y'all gonna love this video. So let's hop right into it. Let's get it. Alright. You nervous at all?
A little bit. I don't know what to expect.
Me either.
What's that?
It gets louder pretty much.
Oh.
It's like active exhaust.
Oh, that's cool.
That way if they get behind you, just turn that off real quick. If you think this is quick, I'm trying to do double the power with this car got right now. So we'll see. We'll see what you think is quick. Nah, he will bap into my shit. This will go from YouTube to 209 times quick. Hell no. Not that we're from the 209. We live in Mexico. This is all filmed in Mexico, so don't get shit twisted. Let me know what the audio sounds like. If this shit needs like a boom stick or something like that, comment down below, because I don't know what the fuck it's gonna sound like. Hopefully this shit all cut out. You ever been sideways in the car before? like do stupid shit in, but this car's like quick. I die. We're not trying to die. You feel me? not good. We got out. That's the good part. We're not gonna be on some bullshit. We're gonna add that into the video. Yes, bro. The car kicked out. There was hella gravel, but the car's fine. It just got hella dirt. I know the haters gonna love this shit.
It happens.
They really do though.
I don't think no car person can say they've been.
No, it's just when I hit second. Second is a dangerous gear. Like, especially if I'm trying to lower the volume, like it's like not the car making hella noise.
Yeah.
I'm so glad it was just fucking dirt.
You controlled it without even losing control.
You know I got a heart attack, right? You good?
No, we're good. I'm shaking in my boots, but we're good.
You would not ever go forget this shit.
Nope.
She kept that handle extra tight.
Oh yeah. I had to hold on for my life. You're fucked. It's just a reflex.
That's
Don't know what to expect. So.
You know, I get that a lot with me. People don't know what to expect. That's the ocean handle though. Oh shit. It's going through your head right now. That's great. Because there's a lot to take in.
I'm alive. That's all that matters. I'm alive. We made it out that part, but now I don't know what to expect over here.
Amen. You like the type of adrenaline?
Yeah. But it's hard. Like, most people don't like that.
Yeah, it's not easy. But honestly, it's not even that easy being on camera.
Yeah.
But like, you didn't think about it until I said that. Now you're like, okay, the camera's recording, but wait, what, I mean, you kind of know.
Yeah.
Type
It's
shit.
like in the back of your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. I got the spidey sense. I seen that cop. I felt him coming.
You need a radar detector.
Really, honestly, you're a bad influence. That's crazy as fuck. That's wild. Not for real though.
Hey, you want to race?
Come on.
Gotta catch my breath again. Feel like I'm slipping out my seat too.
I told you we was gonna make it back alive. That wasn't the problem. Now without a heart attack, that was a different discussion. We didn't keep on that.
Yep, we made it. Maybe I'm still shaking. Yep. But we made it.